Robot exhibition in Tokyo just revealed insane new robots 2022. This is like Christmas to the fans of robotics. Can you imagine all the robotics companies throughout the world gathering and exhibiting their robots' caliber in one confined space? We are talking about iREX 2022. Do watch this video till the end, as this year's stellar performances by some robots are definitely gonna blow your mind. Hello and welcome back to the AI universe. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update on the new things we bring for you regarding the tech and the trends, but also the vital difference between the haves and the have-nots. That being said, let's begin. Japan is the world's leading manufacturer of industrial robots, accounting for 45% of worldwide supply. The country's robot providers have significantly grown their manufacturing capacity in recent years. In 2020, they delivered 136,069 industrial robots, bringing their export ratio to 78%. The International Federation of Robotics (IFR) released these findings ahead of the International Robot Exhibition (iREX) in Tokyo from March 9th to 12th, 2022. iREX claims to be the world's largest robot trade event, with over 300 exhibitors and over 100,000 attendees. This year's theme was "The Way Towards a Friendlier Society Bridged by Robots," which, like previous phrases, we assume was developed by a slogan-making AI based on every single Japanese trade fair slogan ever. The show was separated into two sections, one for industrial robots and another for service robots. Personal robots, space robots, agricultural robots, and cleaning robots are examples of industrial robots, whereas service robots include personal robots, space robots, agricultural robots, and cleaning robots. From March 9th to 12th, 2022, the International Robot Exhibition 2022, or iREX 2022, was hosted at Tokyo Big Sight in Kotoku, Tokyo. Since 1974, iREX has been held every 2 years and is named as one of the world's major robotics shows. The 24th annual event took place this year. The COVID-19 infection preventing was carefully prepared for this year's expo, which had 615 exhibiting firms and organizations. The expo was said to be the largest in history, with 3,227 booths, 167 more than the previous edition. It took place in East Halls 1 to 8 and West Halls 3 to 4 of Tokyo Big Sight. This year's spotlight undoubtedly went to Kawasaki. While Kawasaki is best known in the West for its motorcycles, the company is a 125-year-old multidisciplinary multinational powerhouse with revenues of $15 billion in 2020 across a variety of industries, including aerospace, rail, shipbuilding, energy, industrial, environmental, and infrastructure. However, the company displayed a gentler, weirder side during iREX 2022. Tokyo's International Robot Exhibition since 2015, Kawasaki has had a team working on Kaleido, a towering, broad-shouldered beast of a guy weighing 80 kilograms that is intended to someday replace humans in manual labor scenarios. At iREX, the team unveiled the 7th version of Kaleido, with Noboru Takagi, general manager of Kawasaki's robot division, saying, "It is now possible to do actual work in a worksite with a combination of autonomous operation and remote control, and the practical application of this is only one step away." With 2 human team members holding tether ropes, Kaleido took to the stage for its demonstration slot, busting a couple of stilted dance moves before stepping up onto a balance beam, stepping down off the other end, pausing for applause, turning around, walking back across the beam, and waving goodbye. Following that, Kaleido was tethered and raised into the air, accompanied by a high-energy 8-minute extended rendition of Bon Jovi's "It's My Life." He exhibited his ability to hold metal bars with his fists, pound them with his fists, and give the women a very swaggy, though exceedingly sluggish, thumbs up. Kawasaki continued to show their robotics marvels after Kaleido. The company unveiled RHP Friends, a 55-kilogram robot. Friends is based on Kaleido, but it's been tweaked to be suitable for working with humans and engaging with them. This, according to Kawasaki, is the type of robot that humans could wind up living with, especially the elderly, since Japan's rapidly aging population is likely to suffer increased isolation and unmet demands for personal care help. Friends made 2 theatrical performances, one in which it did a little of mild motion captured dancing, and another in which it carried an exceedingly patient, wobbly-headed granny dummy in a wheelchair. In 4 minutes, it managed to move roughly 5 meters. The turnaround, pausing presumably to kiss her grandmother on the head, then push her back out the gate. The year's main attraction was Bex. After the event, the whole world cannot stop talking about it. RHP Bex, Kawasaki's first quadruped, was by far the highlight of Kawasaki's index displays. The ibex is a kind of wild mountain goat found in Europe, Asia and northeastern Africa, and the robot is fashioned after one. On Bex, a demonstrator was ridden around the exhibition space. The robotic goat has two modes of transportation, standing and moving on four legs, or bending down to traverse flat surfaces on wheels attached to its feet and knees. Bex, which can presently carry 160 kilograms, might be used to move crops on fields or supplies at a building site, according to Kawasaki Robotics. The business plans to give Bex humanoid arms in the next round of development. Now comes the next company. At the International Robot Exhibition 2022, DoBot, a world-leading developer of intelligent robotic solutions, showcased its second-generation SCARA collaborative robot, the M1 Pro, as well as a diverse array of robots. In comparison to traditional robotic arms, the DoBot M1 Pro is a novel SCARA collaborative robot with exceptional human-machine collaboration and safety features. It's ideal for pick-and-place, gluing, assembly, and other light industrial demands, as well as higher education in the lightweight industry, communication, and consumer electronics. Plug-and-play functionality is enabled by the integrated controller and robot arm design, which speeds up the connecting procedure. The M1 Pro collaborative robot has a maximum joint speed of 180 degrees per second and a cycle duration of 0.46 seconds, making it a time saver. M1 Pro is a smart integration device that reduces installation time. For example, in the gluing application, the DoBot M1 Pro maintains smoothness and ensures constant output. After that, Techman Robots came to the spotlight. Techman Robot made a triumphant return at iREX to demonstrate human-robot collaboration, quick integration with palletizing and welding operators, and AI vision integration. The newly upgraded TM Robot S will be available soon in the market, with a host of hardware and software improvements, including smarter integration with vision and peripheral software, a more intuitive human-machine interface, and safer human-machine collaboration, making it suitable for a wide range of industrial applications and enabling smart manufacturing. TM AI Plus, a Techman Robot AI intelligent vision solution, may be utilized alone or in conjunction with TM Robot's built-in vision system, which has grown into an intelligent collaborative robot with AI recognition. TM AI Plus is the industry's first robotic system that combines classic machine vision with advanced AI vision to address challenges including vision recognition, barcode scanning, OCR, OKNG picture categorization, and assembly. It is being used in the quality control of Japanese vehicle manufacturers as well as for pizza and fried chicken chain product identification. It may be used in a variety of sectors, from automobiles to food. The world's leading service robotics firm, Keenon Robotics, also exhibited its entire range of hospitality robot solutions at the International Robot Exhibition 2022. iREX visitors were able to get up close and personal with Keenon's market-leading indoor delivery robots, including the new, compact, and lightweight delivery robot T8, which will make its debut in the Japanese market during the 4-day event in Tokyo from March 9th to 12th, as well as an online exhibition space open to the public from March 1st to 18th. The delivery robot T8 is a cute and capable helper for restaurants and hotels, with an exquisite and small structure. This new model has a centimeter leveling positioning mechanism that allows it to go through tight locations with ease. It can also connect and collaborate with other units to execute more complex delivery jobs, lowering response times and providing visitors with a smooth and intuitive experience. The robot can swiftly adapt to the working environment and provide exceptional cross-floor room delivery and dish serving services due to Keenon's industry-leading high-precision autonomous positioning and navigation technology. Their great operating efficiency, along with the auto-charging capability, has made them ideal helpers for a variety of business circumstances, particularly in the post-pandemic age, when customers are increasingly favoring contactless solutions for health and safety reasons. Well, we have saved the most interesting one for the last. This year's trend seemed to be robotic animals. The rideable goat-shaped robot from Kawasaki was presented at iREX in Tokyo, and now MIT's C-Sail has produced a video showing their small cheetah robot moving faster than ever before. What's astonishing and horrifying is that the cheetah trained itself to run using an artificial intelligence-powered learn-by-experience approach. Instead of configuring the robot's behavior in every case, it learns to run in a simulator using a basic neural network as the controller. The robots can learn to adapt to diverse surfaces and terrain it meets via trial and error, similar to how people know to slow down in snowy places. The mini cheetah learned how to pivot quickly, adapt to unsteady terrain, and run with one leg crippled. It also achieved a new personal best speed of 3.9 meters per second. The Unlikely AI Lab at MIT, which is part of the Computer Science and Artificial Intelligence Laboratory, CSAIL, and managed by MIT Assistant Professor PULKIT AGRAWAL, as well as the Institute of AI and Basic Interactions, are working on a small cheetah robot. The Festival of Robots has awestruck the viewers and the audience in the event. What do you think about these performances? Do express your views in the comments. That's it for the day, guys. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for such interesting topics. And we'll catch you in the next one. Until then, peace.